Hey folks, so I'm sitting out on the patio and it's pretty here. A little overcast. If it starts raining, I may make a dash for the door to get inside before it rains a lot. So just giving you a heads up in case that happens. But I was just sitting out here and thinking about some things, and one of the things that really has been sort of a recurring theme for me in my own life is that sometimes things don't happen the way that we thought they would, but they happen the way they're supposed to. That's kind of just a concept I think we all need to um, become at peace with in our own lives. But I know I was thinking several years ago about a particular something, in particular about a word that had been spoken over me, and I thought, well, you know, I don't quite know how to make that come about, so I'm going to sit on that and wait until that thing comes to pass in the right time. And over time, I've seen the manifestation of that. But all you can really do at any given point is start in the direction that you know. That's all you can do. I think most of us want to go from point A to point Z without having to go, to B through Y in between. But there is a process for everything that we have to deal with and everything that we have to go through. It's not always easy, and sometimes it takes us on a road that we didn't really expect along the way. But what we can't do is get so caught up in the fact that we're not at Z yet that we don't enjoy B through Y in between. Um, I think about the concept of if you're going somewhere on a road trip, you might have your map, you have your GPS, your directions, whatever, and you start going in a particular direction, and you keep going down that road until you are given the next direction, and then you make that change and you go along the course that way, and you just keep going until eventually you reach where you're supposed to be, which in the end looks exactly like it's supposed to. If I know for sure that I'm going to, I don't know, Florida or Tennessee or Texas or whatever, I might have pictures of what I know the destination looks like, but until I get there, I have not experienced it myself. But I can't get there and experience it for myself if I'm not willing to go through the process to get there. That's the important thing. I remember several years ago I was thinking about this concept of just respecting the process. And if we keep using that example of going somewhere on a road trip, what often happens is that we'll start going in a particular direction, and way out front of us we'll see something. Maybe it's a landmark like a skyscraper or some other strange thing that, kind of pops up out of the landscape that catches our eye, and we think, oh, I'll eventually go by that, so I'll see that, I'll see what that's about. But somewhere before we get to that thing that's out ahead of us, the directions take us a different way, and we don't end up going by where we thought, or the road doesn't make the angle that we thought. How many of you have ever been on a road and you think, oh, this road will circle back around and it'll cross back into that road, out there, and somewhere along the way you realize that's not true. I'm headed down a road. I better turn around and head back to where I know I'm supposed to be instead of just taking this detour. So we've all sort of experienced those moments where things just didn't, the road didn't go the way we had anticipated, but we just become okay with where we are. Because really the truth is, and it's, I know, kind of cliche, but it's true if you think about it. The past is over. We can't, have the past. We're not supposed to live in the past. The future is not here yet, so we can't spend all of our time and effort focused on the future to the point that we miss the beauty of today, where we are right here and right now. Sometimes we get the plan in mind, we get the destination in mind, but we're so focused on that we forget that the whole point of getting there is this process in between. And it's the process in between that's so beautiful, and it's the process in between that shapes us and makes us who we're supposed to be. So, I just encourage you, if you're in the middle of a process that's uncomfortable, or in the middle of a process that doesn't make a lot of sense to you, it's okay. You'll get where you're going. You'll end up right where you're supposed to be if you take each step one step at a time. That's all you can do. Nobody expects you to have to jump from A to Z. Just respect the process, walk it out, and you'll end up right where you're supposed to be. All right, the rain is coming, so I'm going to head inside. Y'all have a great day. Bye.